who thinks he is the doer is also the sufferer. Suffering will not cease until individuality is lost. What is bhakti? To think of God, that means only one thought prevails to the exclusion of all other thoughts. If there be thoughts, they will materialize. If they disappear, there is nothing to materialize. You are now thinking that you are the mind or the body, which are both changing and transient, but you are unchanging and eternal. That is what you should know. The self is the real book. You can glance anywhere in that book. Nobody can take it away from you. Whenever you are free, turn towards the self. Thereafter, you may read whatever you like. Brahman or the self is like the screen, and the world is like the pictures on it. You can see the picture only so long as there is a screen. But when the seer himself becomes the screen, only the self remains. All that is required to realize the self is to be still. What can be easier than that? Hence, Atma Vidya, self knowledge, is the easiest to attain. Silence is of four kinds: silence of speech, silence of the eye, silence of the ear, and silence of the mind. Only the last is pure silence and is the most important. The I is always there in deep sleep, in dream, and in wakefulness. The one in sleep is the same as that who now speaks. There is always the feeling of I. Otherwise, do you deny your existence? You do not. You say, I am. Find out who is. The Guru is placed with him only, who gives himself up entirely, who abandons his ego forever. Such a man is taken care of wherever he may be. He need not pray. God looks after him unasked. The frog lives by the side of the fragrant lotus, but it is the bee who gets the honey. Pain and pleasure alternate with each other. One must suffer or enjoy them patiently without being carried away by them. There is no harm in satisfying a desire where the satisfaction will not lead to further desires by creating vasanas, tendencies in the mind. However, that spirit is wrongly identifying itself with the gross body. The body has been projected by the mind. The mind itself has originated from the spirit. If the wrong identification ceases, there will be peace and permanent untellable bliss. The Shakti that is in the world is only one. All these troubles arise if we think that we are separate from that Shakti. Whatever experience may come, remember who has the experience and thus cling to I or the self. Please subscribe to Homagandhi Creations YouTube channel.